Good morning, Royal and visitors. This is Dr. Mitali Upadhyay, your holistic health partner and director of Holistic Clinic since 1996. I help people with physical illness, mental imbalance, and emotional issues to restore health and vitality with our unique holistic approach, which is based on Ahar, Vihar, and Vichar. We offer 6 to 12 weeks customized holistic treatment plans. Members, so far we have tried to understand what holistic approach is in the last 1 year. Today, let us understand how this holistic approach can help treat day-to-day health issues. We will explore common yet important health problem of acidity. Acidity has many names: hyperacidity, acid reflux, GERD, सीने में जलन, खट्टे डकार, बदहज़मी, and many more. Have you ever wondered why acidity never gets treated? Why is it so difficult to cure a simple complaint like acidity? Why people are taking antacids day in and day out? The reason is very simple. Each person is different. Vyakti titkya prakruti. If people are different, their thoughts are different, their values are different, how can same treatment fit all? At Holistic Clinic, we ensure that we treat every patient as an individual and create tailor-made treatment plans to suit them. Let me explain this with the help of a success story. Mrs. Padmini Naik, age 50, suffered from acidity for more than 10 years. She was working as personal secretary to the director of a reputed school in Panchgani. Padmini loved her job. She was very sincere, dedicated, and hardworking. The director also trusted her, and she too gave her 100%. During case taking, we came to know that Padmini had no fixed meal timings. She had her lunch late in the afternoon by 3 to 4 p.m. after her boss left. This caused a lot of burning sensation in stomach, bloating, and loss of appetite. She and her husband stayed in the campus, so there was practically no physical movement or exercise. The treatment plan that we gave her was at 4 levels. Level 1. The most important yet difficult task was to get her to take a lunch break at 1:30 no matter what. Padmini, being very dedicated, just could not digest the idea of asking her boss for a lunch break with work pending. She rarely voiced herself and made her demands. We counseled her to prioritize her needs, learn the ability to say no, speak up for herself. It was easier said than done, but gradually over weeks and months, she learned to voice herself. Her boss could understand and cooperate as well. In fact, now Padmini's boss reminds her to have her lunch break on time. Agree with me? Step 2 was using mind body healing therapies to help her release deep seated beliefs about responsibility and commitment. Though great, these were limiting beliefs which are actually sabotaging her health. Step 3 was a lifestyle change. 30 minutes of daily walk with 12 Surya Namaskar is what we started with. This ensured that she started digesting food properly, got back her appetite, and also relaxed herself after a long day's break. Agree with me, right? That exercise needs to be a part of our daily routine? Well, step 4 use of homeopathic medicines, which were selected after a full individualizing examination and case analysis of Padmini's medical history, her physical and mental constitution, her environmental challenges, and how she coped with it. Making important changes both at the body and mind level reinforced them effectively. Padmini's acidity was cured completely with 6 months. Today, after 1 year, she is happily living a medicine free life. Friends, what I want to emphasize here is the use of holistic approach wherein we focused on dietary changes, lifestyle changes, need for exercise, need for change in belief, counseling and therapy work, which is more wholesome approach to health and life. Well, I guess you must have realized now that my specific asks for today are people who have acidity and stomach problems. Let us understand how to identify these people. They could be family members with unhealthy eating habits like skipping meals or eating meals at irregular times. This could be your foodie uncle who overeats in parties only to create a panic with chest pain late in the night. College friends who consume bottles after bottles of liquor and beverage and can't be controlled. A parent who's over anxious, nervous, and can't stop worrying about everyone's well being in the family. Office colleagues who consume cups after cups of tea and coffee. Your partner who post a meal complains of heaviness, restlessness, frequent hiccups, and bloating. Yes, it could also be CEOs, managers, IT professionals, admin heads, and people in educational institutes or any other organization who work with high profile job stresses. They all could be susceptible to acidity and they could be good connects or contacts for me. Members, I would ask you to connect, give me your referrals on my WhatsApp or connect with me on our BNI Connect to help me get the referrals. As always, my gifts to the community are our doctor community, homeopaths, counselors, yoga trainers, nutritionists, my marathon community, and my pinkathon community. And in closing, I would like to give as a huge thank to all the members and visitors for being present to my presentation, a complimentary 15 minutes health consultation call to discuss your current health issues. To all the members and visitors, please pick up your call or please WhatsApp me to book your call today before the slots gets open. Once again, this is Dr. Mitali from Holistic Clinic. Thank you very much. Your holistic health partner. Remember to upload the referrals for your acidic friend or your business entrepreneur friend who is suffering for acidity, is taking and popping pills which are not giving relief, and would love to invest time, money, and energy in a more holistic approach which could take care of his acidity permanently. This is Dr. Mitali Upadhyay, Holistic Clinic. Thank you so much.